Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. All right, so if you guys haven't been watching my channel, and if you have, you know that I love the Rosecraft Blades knives. This one is their workhorse, their classic. This is the Clinch River Swayback, and it's their famous knife, and this is a mechanical second. So I got it for like 35 bucks. So it's a beater. One thing I noticed about it is it's pretty awesome. It's got this Wharncliffe blade. It's swayed back. It is pretty cool. But some things that you might not know about this is that this can be used as a bushcraft knife. And you're like, what are you talking about, T-Carp? Well, this has a nice 90-degree spine. You guys know what I'm about to do with this. Take your ferro rod. Can rock and roll with that. All right, so we have some tulip poplar bark, and let's process this bad boy down a little bit and see if I can get this lit with a ferro rod and the the Clinch River Swayback. Stay with me, guys. This stuff is absolutely incredible. You just take it and you just process it like this. Let's see if I can get it started with this. I'm excited about this, guys. I'm super excited about this. So look at all that fibers. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get it started with this. Hang out with me, guys. All right, it's right here. It might get started, it might not. Clinch River Swayback. Ferrocerium rod. Just a gentleman's knife. Let's see, boys and girls. Look at that, boys and girls. All right, guys, so you see what happened with that? Clinch River Swayback, easy. So that's kind of cool. You can, you can do this just about with any knife, which I really like, with a 90-degree spine, whatnot. Just got to find the right resources out here, and it's pretty awesome. Guys, thanks for watching. This is T-Carp signing out.